FordMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Ford Mustang GT Premium, ruby red metallic, which is an upgraded color. It's got a lot of options on it and no kilometers. It's got the Airaid intake, which I'll show you in the front, but there's the old intake in the box with the car. It's got the Shaker 1000 sound system with the subwoofer in the trunk for some good tunes. Have a look in here. It is better than a new car. It is cleaner and tidier for sure, and it's been polished 5 steps and finished in polymer. So it's got the blackout package, which covers the roof, spoiler, and all of the badges. So the GT, the Pony, and it's the 5 liter is all done in black, blacked out. It's got MBRP exhaust on it, which is a Canadian exhaust with an H-pipe, cat back 3 inches, sounds absolutely fabulous and adds to the horsepower. It's got the blacked out rims. We've painted the rotors and painted the calipers. It looks fabulous there. On the inside, you've got the Recaro seats, which are leather Recaros with the embroidered in the seats saying Recaro, and also the baseball stitching. Then you've got the back seat with the baseball stitching in it as well, and the seats fold down. On the inside here, have a look in the door frame as I'm climbing in just to show you in the glove box. It's got an SCT tuner. So let me just open this and show you so you get the gist of it. 1 second here. That's the wheel lock, by the way. So here's your tune kit. So it came with this tuned up kit. Let's see if I can focus on it. So performance, so it adds to the horsepower, and you can plug it in and drive with that and change it on the fly. So that's pretty cool. Lots of features there. Let me put that away. The books are in with the car right there in their little hidey hole. So awesome. It's got the big Shaker sound system, the red baseball stitching on the doors, as you can see there. And let's close the door here. There, of course, is your black roof, as I pointed out earlier. There's your 5.0 blacked out. Here's your front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, P0 tires, painted rotors, painted calipers, and look at the size of that caliper. Huge. That is going to stop you, and you're going to need to stop because it's got 435 horsepower before they added this Airaid intake and that MBRP exhaust, which gives you a 3-inch exhaust. So it really puts some extra horses in it, and then you can tune it beyond that. So tune it to whatever you would like. Up here, we've got hood struts, which is not standard on a Mustang, and they have been added. It still has the prop rod there if you want to use it, but why would you? So stone chips, I don't see any. It's just a really beautiful, perfect car, but it's been down the road 2,700 kilometers, so it might have one somewhere, but I sure don't see any. It looks fabulous there. Here's your other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues. P0 Pirelli tires, which are awesome. Here's your other one right there. Looking absolutely fabulous. 19-inch rims, the whole 9 yards. So on the driver's door here, you've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You've got the Recaro seats with the multifunction adjustment seating positions so that you can raise it, lower it, front and back end recliner, but they're super comfortable and really hold you in. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel that you can see there. So let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Push button start. Oh, that is a serious rumble. It's got a real throaty growl to it. I hope you can hear that. It's got the track apps, and the track apps, of course, have an accelerometer, line lock, lap timer, etc., launch control. All these features here are for track use only, they say. So you can also go to settings and change the color. So you can change the gauge color up here. And let me just turn the gauges up. Let's do that, turn the gauges up so that we can see that. And then we'll go here and go here, and go to gauge color. I can change those to red, like orange, there's red. And then we can go back and we can change the ambient color, which are the door panels, etc. And we'll just change those to red because it matches the outside color. So now you see there red and the red over there. It's got the factory navigation that you see there. You've got your steering feel so that you can change the steering feel between 3 different modes. You've got the mode over here so you can change the driving mode from normal, sport, track, and snow and wet. So a lot of fun. And then you've got the sound system, which will blow you away with that subwoofer in the back, and the automatic air conditioning. So when we go home up here, get my hand out of the way there, go to home here, then we have choices between the audio, climate, etc. And we can change all of that. We've got heated seats. Let's go there to the heated seats, and you've got settings over there. So you've got all kinds of apps there, the Bluetooth clock, navigation, mobile apps, and so on. So lots of little toys to play with, but the best part is the 6-speed transmission with that. Listen to that. That is just fabulous. What a car. So this door now lights up in red. Just fabulous. Great looking car. Let's go to the front so you can see it up there. Super looking machine. A very nice rumble out of that exhaust. That is awesome. Looks great down the side. So no marks, no scratches, no dents, no accidents, no issues. Clean Carfax, one owner, perfect car, 2,700 kilometers. Here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I look forward to seeing you real soon.